We're not quite finished yet, but I wanted to be able to share some thoughts and ideas about a project that we're working on for Bill and Luis here. When we first started speaking, and this is over a year ago, we talked about a retaining wall that was failing. They had recently, and this is probably 2 years ago, they had a retaining wall installed and it started to fall over, essentially. The stairs that were integral to the retaining wall were starting to be unsafe. We originally came in to rebuild the retaining wall. You may or may not know this. The worst enemy for a retaining wall is latent moisture in the ground, that water essentially pushing the wall over, and that's exactly what happened here. The retaining wall had no drainage infrastructure whatsoever put behind it, and that ultimately caused its failure. So let me show you what we did. We had to manage the water. As you can see, I'm standing on a fairly large driveway, and the driveway is a source of a lot of storm water because of its surface area, and the water was running off the edge of the driveway and literally pushed the wall over. So really the first thing that we had to do was manage the storm water coming off of the driveway, give it a place to go, get it underground, under the wall, out to the back of the property. But then we, of course, rebuilt the wall and did it properly. We put in geogrid to help support the grade behind the wall, but additionally, we put a French drain, I guess, or a drainage system behind the wall to capture any latent storm water and direct it out the face of the wall without creating pressure against the wall.